the haters. You deserve this. You earned this car. Let the people talk. You don't need their validation. Alright, so today we're working on the S-Class again. We're going to be detailing that thing like crazy. It was extremely dirty. And then we'll get going with the full rebuild and everything. Super excited to show you guys you know, all the parts and stuff that are coming in. So let's just get to it. I have really been enjoying detailing cars recently. I'm learning, and I got a whole cabinet full of automotive detailing stuff and whatnot. So you guys might just see more of this on the channel. I'm going to do a hopefully pretty satisfying, like a before and after kind of detailing video for this one. And then we'll do the actual rebuild next video. And I think we're going to do this pretty quick. So things are coming in, and this should get rocking and rolling real quick. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. I'll catch you at the very end.
Previously on the Inja's channel.
Obviously, it was in a small to medium size, you know, passenger side collision. And then there's a car seat. Hey, how about we can have another kid. All right.
You can't even tell from the top that there was any damage on this side.
Ladies and gentlemen, now showing on the Inja's channel.
So with the car cleaned up and looking really nice, let's go ahead and actually focus on what the display is telling me. Let's go through just some things in the car, see what it says, what it tells us. So let's get the car turned on and let's just see what it says. I'm not gonna actually start the engine, obviously. No reason to right now. All right, rear left, rear right, malfunction, service required. I know the seat belts are locked back there. I'm not sure what that's gonna require for me to do to get those unlocked, but we will see. No airbags in this car deployed besides this one and the knee airbag down there. The seat belts back here are locked, but again, no airbags deployed back there. All right, so I'm just gonna click through real quick, see what there is. Front left, malfunction. Yes, that's the airbags up here. Rear left, rear right, front left. Says malfunction, it has a light. There's a light malfunction, check front right parking lamp. Light malfunction, check washer fluid. And that's it. That's it? Come on, man. I need a challenge. So I guess apparently that's it. I'm gonna start the engine. I'm not sure how it sounds and I'm not sure if I should be doing this. I did check the oil. I'm just gonna start it up, just see what happens, see if there's a check engine light, that kind of thing. So let's fire up and see just what happens. Vehicle rising, please wait. Oh, that was cool. Whatever the headlights just did, that was cool. Or the headlight. Vehicle rising, please wait. Yeah, this is kind of... The engine sounds a lot nicer than yesterday. Now it is propped up on a jack stand on the right side, so maybe that's what it's trying to do. Oh, this feels nice though. This feels nice. It's smooth. Yeah, there is a check engine light right there, so obviously there's gonna be some codes with the front end. Yeah, anyway, I don't wanna run it up too much with the temperature. There is a coolant leak as well. But overall, this thing purrs, man. Yes, that sounds awesome. Wow, there's like no vibrations in here. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna kill it. That's freaking sweet. It sounds great, man. Dude, that is so cool. All right, I'm just gonna turn the ignition on, kind of show you guys a few functions in here. Obviously, it's got navigation. You can actually put navigation in here as well if you really want to. And the system can be controlled with this thing right here. So if I push, I think like push back, and this is legit like a mouse, like touchpad. You can even like click it, if you guys can hear that. You can like click it and all kinds of stuff. I'm just scrolling around with my finger right now. First things first, dude, let's get this pink out of here. Ambient light, yeah, brightness. Hold on, I'm figuring out how to control this. Actually 5 is probably fine. Ambient light color, there we go. What are you guys feeling? I'm feeling, ooh, I can like scroll it. So with this, you scroll it with this. Super cool. Okay, okay, what do you guys think about blue? Okay, all right. It's like a teal kinda. What is this, like a desaturated blue? A little bit of orange. Red, what do you guys think? Red looks nice, but I'm gonna just go with blue. And I'm probably also just gonna turn the brightness down 1 notch. How about that? I think that looks pretty clean. That's better than pink for sure. So, okay. I'm actually gonna start it up one more time and see if there's any other error messages that it will tell me if it's on instead of, you know, just sitting with the ignition on. So I'm gonna fire it up one more time. Oh, bro, that fired right up. When I started it the first time, it sounded like the engine was running a little rough, or my dad thought it was a engine mount issue or something where the engine wasn't sitting right or something. That's what it sounded like. But today it fired right up and purrs like a kitten. I think it was just because the wheel was off the ground yesterday and there's a broken control arm there. I think something was just moving and made it sound like the engine was running rough. It didn't feel bad in the car when it was running, but it sounded bad. But today it's just purring away. I can't wait to get this thing actually driving on the road. Let's click through here before the car warms up too much. Front and left, active headlamps, inoperative, obviously. Coolant level, yes, I know that. Brake pad wear, I'm changing those anyway, no big deal. Obviously the low beam's out. Light, park, I think that's a parking light malfunction. Obviously that's out. I think I just clicked through one, but I didn't see it. Check, obviously, parking lamp. Check parking lamp, washer fluid. Dude, there's like nothing wrong with this thing. I am pumped, man. That is not a whole lot of code. So this is very exciting, at least for me. Obviously, I know this is a project. You guys can see there's 30,833 miles on this thing. So these things right now, for a low mileage similar to this, I can't find one under 50,000 right now. This car was a buy it now for $23,000. But unfortunately though, I live in California and there was $2,100 of just sales tax on top of that, plus a transaction fee that was at $1,100 from a Better Bid. That's who I went through as the broker. They've been good so far. I've done 4 cars with them already. They're definitely pretty good. Shipping was $750 and the actual Copart fee was like $1,700. Dude, I was not expecting such a big bill for a $23,000 buy it now. To my door was like almost $29,000. So that's $6,000 over the actual like buy it now price. So that is crazy, man. I can see why a lot of people who rebuild cars like this are getting really antsy and kind of upset over the rising prices for stuff like this. $23,000 is what this should have been. It ended up being like $29,000. And obviously that doesn't include repair costs or anything. So the rebuild market right now is just hard to justify jumping into. Even since the CLA, and I bought that one just like mid last year, so only like 8-9 months ago or something, and that one was significantly cheaper as far as fees go than this one was. Overall though, still getting this thing for $29,000, I'm still gonna be under, you know, $20,000 under the next best one with similar mileage. So I think overall, as long as I can keep the repair costs down, I think this is gonna be an awesome buy. I could not be more happy. Just sitting here right now, I'm just in awe that I own a car this nice, even if it's got deployed airbags. I can't believe that I'm physically sitting in such a beautiful car. All right, so that's pretty much it. All the parts are coming in. Next video you guys should see, hopefully the whole rebuild process. I got an e-bike video coming next, a couple other here and there. Ducati, by the way, is still being given away. I mean, we're just compiling the data and whatnot. So if you guys haven't heard about the giveaway, if you're entered into that, it is coming. It's just a slow process getting the data together to do the raffle and whatnot. We'll keep you guys updated on that. Next time you see a video on the S-Class, it should be fully repaired, and I'm probably just gonna do one big, you know, rebuild video. But until then, definitely if you guys could hit that like button. You know, the algorithm changes every day, and so if you guys can hit that like button for me, that'd be awesome. Anyway, smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time.